This one fear silently kills dreams. Hey, it's Dan from D Squared Marketplace, and today I want to talk to you. Not the polished business version of you, but the real you. The one who's sitting on an idea, a dream, or maybe a business you know that could work, but you haven't started that yet. Because that's where I was. Back in 2022, I was 49 years old, and honestly, I felt completely overwhelmed. There was so much I didn't know in this space, so much I thought I needed to be an expert in. I thought maybe I missed the shot or that I was too late to play the game. But I didn't try to figure it all out at once or in one day. I took it one step at a time, and what I discovered along the way was that it's not strategy or tools that keep most people stuck. It's fear. So today I want to walk you through 7 hidden fears that stop people from starting an online business. And I want you to stick around, especially for fear number 7, because that one was a blind spot for me and it cost me a lot of time. So let's break them down one at a time. Let's start with the most obvious fear. The fear of failure. You're afraid. You're afraid you'll invest time, money, energy, and it won't work. Maybe you'll look silly. Maybe your family will say, I told you so. Maybe you're scared you'll prove your own doubts right. But here's the truth. Every successful person you follow online has failed, and often. Failure is feedback. Failure is how you get sharp. If you're not failing, you're not in the game. Let go of perfection and commit to momentum. Next, it's information overload. Now, this fear doesn't look like a fear at first. It looks like research. You've watched over 100 YouTube videos. You've downloaded 12 free guides. I've done it. But instead of clarity, you get more confusion. That's not education. That's hesitation in disguise. Look, just pick one path, pick one mentor, pick one tool. Go deep, not wide. You can cut through the noise, then you'll start to see the progress. All right, number 3 is the imposter syndrome. You tell yourself, who am I to teach this? Or I haven't made any money online yet, so why would anybody listen to me? But here's the deal. People aren't buying your results. Well, they're buying your energy, and they're buying your story and your perspective. You only need to be one chapter ahead of the person that you're trying to help. You don't need a big audience. You need a belief in yourself. And you build belief by showing up consistently. Number 4, it's a deep one, money mindset blocks. If you've ever thought, I'm not sure I can charge for this, or people, they're not going to pay me for this, that's a money mindset issue. Look, you recommend products to your friends all the time. You recommend movies, coffee shops, shoes. But when you recommend something with a commission attached to it, well, we all freeze. We get scared. Affiliate marketing is serving people by showing them solutions and deserve to get paid for that service. Shift from selling to helping. Money flows to clarity and confidence. Number 5 is no clear roadmap. Now, this is where many people tap out in this industry. You've got the ideas, maybe even a few tools, but you don't know where your next 3 steps are. That lack of clarity creates doubt, and, well, to be quite frank, doubt will kill any action. So what's the fix? You don't need to see the whole staircase. You just need to know the next step in that staircase. That's why I created my free cheat sheet, The 7 Secret Fears Uncovered. And we're going to talk more about that in just a second, so stick with me. Number 6, tech intimidation. This is the one nobody wants to admit. Look, you're not lazy. You're just not techie. Building funnels, setting up email systems, editing videos, it can feel overwhelming. But today's tools are simpler than ever. You don't need to be a coder. You need to be curious, and you need to be coachable. YouTube it. Ask questions. Google your assistant. And I'm here to help you too. And finally, number 7, lack of community or support. Now, this is the one killer. You might be doing this in isolation. Your partner doesn't get it. Your friends think it's a scam. You're watching videos like this one in secret. This fear kept me quiet for months. I didn't have a place to ask questions or celebrate the little wins. And here's the thing. If you want to stay consistent, you'll need connection. I'll talk more about how to build that community in the cheat sheet, and I'll also tell you what changed the game for me inside my journal. So let's recap. You're not stuck because you're lazy, you're not behind, you're not missing some big secret. You're just dealing with one or more of these 7 fears, and well, now you've got names for them. Listen, I put all 7 together along with tips and resources into a free cheat sheet called the 7 Secret Fears Uncovered. Comment the word GO below, and I'd be more than happy to send it to you. And if you're ready to track your wins, your mindset, and your growth, well, my journal, 1 Year, 1 Journey, is live on Amazon right now. And it's the same tool I used when I started this journey. So whether you're 25, 49, or 65, it's never too late to build your future one step at a time. You've got this. So let's go.